Ever had that power steering warning light pop up on your dash and freak you out? Don't panic, it doesn't always mean something major. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix and reset your power steering warning light step by step, so you can get back on the road safely. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. So first, let's quickly cover what this light actually means. The power steering warning light basically tells you there's a problem with the system that helps you steer smoothly. In older cars, it's hydraulic. In newer cars, it's electric. Either way, if this light stays on, steering might feel heavy or even unsafe. Alright, let's quickly go over some common reasons this light comes on. Low power steering fluid, most common in hydraulic systems. A leak in the power steering pump or hoses. A bad or failing power steering pump. If the pump is worn out, you'll hear whining noises when you turn the wheel and the light might come on. In electric systems, it could be a faulty sensor, blown fuse, or wiring issue. Sometimes, it's just a temporary glitch in the system that needs a reset. Here's what you can do step by step. First, turn the car off and restart it. Sometimes it just needs a reset. Next, if you have hydraulic steering, pop the hood and check the fluid level. If it's low, top it up with the correct fluid. Step 3. Inspect for leaks. Look under the car and around the pump and hoses. Any wet spots or puddles of fluid, that's your leak. A small hose can be replaced cheaply, but a pump replacement might cost more. Step 4. Check the fuses and wiring. For electric systems, check the fuse box and make sure no power steering fuse is blown. Finally, if you've recently disconnected your battery or had electrical work done, reconnecting or resetting the battery might clear the warning. Once you've fixed the issue, you may need to reset the light. You can do this by restarting the car after topping up fluid or replacing a fuse. If the light doesn't go away, use an OBD to scanner. Just plug it in, scan for trouble codes, and clear them after fixing the issue that usually resets the warning light. So that's how you fix and reset the power steering warning light. Start with the simple checks. Use an OBD to scanner if you have one, and only head to a shop if the issue doesn't go away. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.